The renewable energy space is complex, and there are real-world issues that impact real-world people. We are using data science to make sure your lights are on, to make sure that hospitals have energy. We are using data science that, through energy, impacts everything that we do. My name is Sean Otto. I'm the Director of Analytics at AES, and AES's mission is to accelerate the future of energy together. We are the second largest renewable energy producer in the U.S., and we have ambitions to grow that. Data science and ML is important to AES because we are looking to drive the future of energy. And renewable energy, as we look at what it does from traditional energy, it has a lot more devices, and there's a lot more things to manage. And so we see AI and ML as helping to drive our operational efficiencies, to drive the uptime requirements that we have for delivering that energy to the market. It plays in a variety of areas that help us in automation, help us in insight driving, help augment the actions and decisions that our performance engineers are making. Domino has really enabled the data science team to provide a tangible outcome for the business. The access that Domino enables us to compute infrastructure is something I don't have to think about. IT is very happy because they don't have to think about what the data science team is doing. Their infrastructure is already organized and set up. We are all in the cloud, therefore we can manage and monitor spend very easily. What I love most about Domino is not only the platform, but the partnership that we have with our customer success team. They have been there from day one. They have been supportive in training, enabling the data scientists, asking questions. It's been honestly one of the best teams that I've ever worked with from a technology standpoint. And I see that as the true power behind Domino. It's not only the technology, but the partnership that I have with them to enable it for my business.